Hey everyone, if you want to protect your important files and keep backup copies across multiple devices, Syncthing can be a powerful part of your backup strategy. In this video, I'll show you how to backup files with Syncthing from start to finish in 2026. First, it's important to understand that Syncthing is primarily a file synchronization tool, not a traditional backup application. However, when configured correctly, it can help maintain backup copies of your files on other devices. Once finished, verify that all files appear correctly on the backup device. Another helpful step is configuring the backup device as a dedicated storage location rather than using it for active editing. Many users create backup systems using a home server, network-attached storage device, or secondary computer that remains online regularly. For additional protection, consider enabling file versioning within Syncthing. Versioning allows older file versions to be preserved when files are modified or deleted, providing protection against accidental changes. And that's how to back up files with Syncthing in 2026. With proper folder sharing, versioning, and backup planning, Syncthing can play an important role in keeping your files protected and available across multiple devices. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.